guys, happy Saturday. I hope you're having a great weekend so far. I'm just jumping on here. I'm about to make myself a green smoothie for a snack, which isn't something I've done for a long time. I'm really going forward into next week, and from then on, I really want to start focusing on having really nutrient dense snacks because it's just not something I've been doing lately. I actually talked about this with a couple of friends recently, and we're saying, because we all have like crazy dietaries, and we've kind of just started justifying having anything that meets those dietaries as a snack just because it's gluten dairy free. We're like, okay, we can snack on that as much as we want just because it's gluten dairy free. I don't know if that makes sense, but like it's just a conversation we're having, and it doesn't necessarily mean they're the most nutrient dense snacks, or you should be eating those snacks just because they fit your dietaries. Like I've been snacking on things like chips and popcorn, and it's great, but it just doesn't leave me feeling good. Yeah, that's why I just want to get back into really focusing on nutrient density in my snacks. So that's why I'm going to start by having a green smoothie, because I feel like green smoothies just make you feel good, feel healthy, and like you're nourishing your body. It's something I really want to get back into. It's been so long since I've had a green smoothie, and that also prompted me because I want to chat to you guys about my new blender. I haven't come on here and chat about it since I got it because there's been so much going on with the kitchen and renovating, and yeah, I just haven't really had a space to talk about it or really use it much. So I've started using it recently, and I shared a nice cream recipe I made in it. And I feel like nice cream is like the ultimate test for a blender, like a high-speed blender or a smoothie or anything like that that involves frozen things or dates, because my old blender used to freaking cark it every time I tried to make nice cream. It would overheat, it would just stop working, and have to sit there and wait for ages while the frozen things inside it melted. I had a few questions about it when I originally shared it and when I shared that nice cream recipe, so I thought I'd jump on here and just tell you my thoughts so far from using it. But honestly, so this is the Fruthi Optimum, I think it's 9400 model, and I'm so impressed. Honestly, so impressed with the power. It has 6 blades inside. It's got the 6 blades, which is more than my previous blender, and it makes a world of difference. It just blends everything so good, gets it so smooth and creamy. And this jug is also, I don't know if you can tell on camera, it's quite wide, and it's makes it so much easier to like firstly blend things inside there, scoop it out so you don't miss out on all the goodness at the bottom, and then also clean it. So some great functionalities I've found of it so far. I also love that it has like presets on here. So you have the speed dial, but you also have like presets for nice cream, for soup, for juices. Yeah, super powerful, and it's actually not as loud as you would expect it to be for such a powerful blender, which is a massive bonus when there are other people in the house who hate the sound of the blender. So yeah, very impressed so far with little Oscar. Yeah, I've named my blender. I actually name all my appliances after either the brand or the model. So Optimum, Oscar, guys, meet Oscar. But yeah, really impressed. That's just my honest thoughts after using it for a couple weeks now. Yeah, I could not recommend it more. Really happy with it and loving all the creations that are coming from it. If you guys have any questions at all about the blender, if you're thinking of getting a new one, hit me up. I am more than happy to answer those for you. And if you have any requests for creations that you would like to come out of a blender, let me know. I'm thinking soup is going to be one that I want to try out soon because it's winter, it's getting cold, and it's so cool that you can put the soup ingredients in here, blend it up, and because it's so high speed and it spins at such a fast rate, it comes out like steaming hot and ready to eat. So really keen to give that one a try. The smoothie is done. I did film a little recipe reel, so I will share that either later today or sometime next week. But let's do a little taste test. This is my go-to green smoothie.